Use the search bar to conduct targeted keyword searches. The search results contain all the titles that match the keyword you entered, which can be filtered by resource type, language, copyright, and more. Discover the best resources by trending topic, subject area, or curriculum standard, curated and personalized for your classroom. Discover the top trending digital curriculum resources and events, including what's most popular content, and channels in Discovery Education, as well as new additions to the library. With Browse by Subject, you can explore curated resources related to an area of instruction. Select the topic, such as English Language Arts, and view a channel of curated content for that subject and your preferred grade level. You can add a subject channel to MyDE using the Subscribe option. Browse by Standard enables you to search for resources that directly instruct or support the instruction of a state or national education standard. Choose By Standard, then select the standards document, subject, grade level, and year of adoption. To access resources that support the instruction of a standard, select the area of the standard and expand the search results tree until hyperlinked blue text appears. Then select the standard content. Discovery Education displays the resources that support the standard. You can use additional filters for resource type, copyright, and more. Discovery Education users who select Common Core state standards will notice stars next to some of the standards, indicating a model lesson is available for that standard. Common Core model lessons integrate a variety of text and digital media assets to help diverse learners engage with, think critically about, and retain comprehension of core concepts. Some search results feature channels. Channels feature resources selected and curated by Discovery Education's curriculum expert, and offer video segments, images, articles, songs, and more on Discovery Education's most searched topics. After search results are displayed, you can narrow your results by filtering for grade level, resource type, or instructional materials. Depending on your Discovery Education subscriptions and your selected search term, you may see fewer resource types and filter options. To view a resource, select it from the search result grid to view it on a full player page. To save items for future use, use the plus sign to add it to Quick List, or use the ellipses to reveal the options to add to My Content, Classrooms, or an assignment.